You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. Brand name of a tequila. If you want to learn more tequila names, we've got them all. Stay tuned, I'll link them to the end of the video. Confusing ones, DeLeón, that's your Spanish pronunciation, or Mexican Spanish pronunciation, DeLeón, because you have an accent on the O. It means the stress is on the on syllable. So DeLeón, DeLeón Tequila. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.